Welcome to Gupta Education World. In this video, we will learn two advanced formulas of MS Excel which are very useful to every person who uses MS Excel, whether he is in business or is in service industry. These are SUMIF and SUMIF-S. Let's begin the topic without wasting your precious time. You can see in this example, we have the data of sales of various products to various customers during the period January to March. So firstly, we will learn the formula sum if. We will mention here is equal to sum if bracket start. Now we have to select the range for which we want to get the sum. So here we want the sale of Sumit. So we will select the customer name, customer data. Now we will mention comma. Now we have to give the criteria. So here two ways are there to give the criteria. First we can select from this and we will type comma. Now we will give some range and bracket close. Now it is the sales to Sumit during the period January to March. We can see we can cross check this by selecting Sumit from here and we will do the sum of these sales. So you can see it is 334,800. So that means our formula is correct. Now we will see the second way to select the criteria. So in this formula, we will remove this criteria. Now we will type criteria. Now we will select the sum range and bracket close and enter. But the only limitation in this formula that it is not dynamic. So suppose we want the sales to Sham, then we have to every time change the formula. But in place of this, if we select this cell in place of hard coding the formula, so if we change only this cell, we will get the revised calculation. Suppose we type John, so this formula will take care for that. Now we will go to second formula, that is sum if s. The limitation of sum if formula is that it into consideration only one condition, but in sum if s we can have more than one condition. So suppose we want the sales to Mr. John and we want the sale of mobiles. So it will give us the same amount of the sales of mobile to John. So we will type is equal to sum if s bracket start. Now we have to select the sum range. So we will select this range. Now comma. Now we have to give the criteria range 1. So here our criteria of 1 is John. So we will select criteria range 1 as here. Now we have to select the criteria 1. Here we have selected John. Now again we have to select the criteria range 2. So here we are selecting the product range. Now we have to select the criteria 2 and press control bracket and enter. So in this way we have taken the amount of sale to mobile to John of the mobile. We can cross check it with the data. Here we will select the zone, and here we will select the mobile. So you can see the total amount is 95,300, which is given by the formula. So in this formula, we can give any number of conditions to get the sum range. So sum if S is more powerful than sum if. So friends, if you find any difficulty, please mention the same in comment box. And if you like this video, please press like button, share this video to your friends and colleagues, and consider subscribing my channel and click on bell button to get notifications of videos uploaded in future. Thank you friends. Goodbye. Have a nice day.